Oliver, would you like to explain how you escaped from your dwelling? So it's the same day and it's raining now, but I got something and I want to see if it works. I have a suspicion that it will, and if it does, this will be cool because I've never seen it done this way. But yeah, if not, then I guess I'll just return them or see if I could get some sort of adapter. But give me a quick second and I'll show you guys what I got. Boom. All right. Here are this part, and then you guys have seen me get these before. Boom, they're Ganador replicas from GK Tech. So I'm gonna see if these work on the E36. I was told that these brackets should work, and if it does, I'll put it on. So give me a second. It's the right shape, but it'll just take some trimming on this part for it to work. So I can just trim this part and then make it work somehow. But yeah, it's literally the perfect size. Like, look at that. So I'm gonna make this work, and yeah, I'll probably just like see if I could even take this rubber gasket off or trim out this part and just clearance it. But yeah, tomorrow after I'm done with all this stuff, I'm gonna actually make this thing work. So give me, I'll get to you guys tomorrow, because I was just testing this now because I'm very impatient and I just wanted to see if it works just in case I have to return it. So if I did, I would start the return process now. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So I forgot to mention, this is kind of like a quick series or whatever have you, like transforming your BMW for cheap. Like, so this is going to be for like the 3 Series and stuff like that. That is a non-M. So one of my favorite parts that I got is in this box, and it really changes up the rear end of the car. So you guys can see it's pretty plain, but in a couple seconds I'm going to unbox that and then I'll show you guys what it is. I'll install it because it's super easy to do. Then boom, we have better looking car. So give me a second. All right, let's see if we can get this thing out. Oh, look at that. It's basically right there. All right. Pardon me for the terrible angles and whatnot. But what this is the non-M version of the M bumper thingy. So you don't have to do what I did on my other cars, because I got those ones for free. So you just trim off the ends and then you make it fit. But this one is the non-M version. So you don't have to do anything. You just pop those off, put this on, clip it up, and it's done. So give me one quick second to take this off and then put this one on, and then boom. Actually, let me take it out the back first. I also need to see why this camera thing is so zoomed in. So you pop down these 2 little plugs, and they're kind of annoying to get off, and then you like get the bumper thingy off the little hooks. I'm gonna see, let's see. Yeah, sorry for the terrible angles. As you guys know, I'm the worst vlogger ever, so yeah. Give me a second. These things are always super annoying to come off. Okay, so boom, you put this thing in the corner right here, and then you pop it back, and then you go across, and then just like boom, and at the end, let's see, and there we go. That's off. Then you get the new one. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so 1 second. Boom. And granted, you have to use what do you call it? You either just self-tap it in or you use zip ties and pull it. I'm most likely just gonna use zip ties. But as you guys can see, the back of the car already looks completely different. And that's one quick simple thing you can do. These are like $50 shipped, so Yeah, it's literally one of my favorite mods to do to these cars. Another thing I have to do for sure is get the trim all around in black, and then change this wing, but I'll change that whenever. The mirrors, as you guys saw, I'm gonna have to fit the mirrors on. Front bumper pending. So yeah, not too long this car is gonna look different. I'm trying to get a good deal on some bags, because if anything, if I could get a really good deal, like a steel, then I'll just bag the car right away, call it a day, because it's already gutted and everything, so it'll be super easy. But yeah, that's it for now for this video, for the most part, because if I do get a bumper today, then I'll just include me getting it. Then what I do with the bumper, I'll update you guys in the next video. So yeah, because I'm just trying to get this thing on the road. I'm just trying to get the ball rolling with this, as you guys know, because I hate driving stock cars, and I don't like, I need my car to look at least decent. Like stock ride height, not it. Stock body looking, not it. So I want it to look at least a little bit modified, like it's an enthusiast car at least. So yeah, and also I can't drive the car because the seats are gone. So I also have seats pending. So as soon as the Rezax 2s are gone, I'm gonna pick up the seats. Granted, I don't have to, but I'm just doing that, you know, like as an incentive for me to actually sell those wheels. But yeah, actually, all right, yeah. So that's sorry, I'm gonna phrase it. It's an incentive for me to sell those wheels, because I do like them, but it's just I don't want to wear them. I just want something else. So yeah, I'll get to you guys out there in the next clip of the next video, if it's the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do. But as you guys can see, this car is just gonna get better and better every day. So I'll catch you. Peace. Alright, so this is the last of the video. I just picked up an M3 bumper. It's OEM. It has all the trim. It has the front lip. So it's from an Estero Blue M3. So tomorrow I'm going to go to Mako and see how much it'll cost for them to repaint it. If it's more than like 150 bucks, then I'm just going to, if it's more than 200 bucks, then I'm just going to go paint it myself. If it's like 150, cool. If it's about 200, maybe. But if it's more than that, I'm not going to do it. I'll just do it myself, and then I'll just get the whole car like touched up in the future. But for now, this is good. So yeah, peace. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And you guys already know, like, you see how quick the stuff is coming. The car is going to be looking really sick soon. And the place I just got this from, we may have some future business coming up. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.